Hello there, Zephyr's BI and Analytics here once again. Today on this channel, I'm quickly going to be walking you through how to create this Lollipop chart in Power BI. This was actually done in the Workout Wednesday section, Power BI Workout Wednesday section, week 22. I'm creating a Lollipop chart, and this was done by Lakshmi. She recently became a Microsoft MVP. The link to the Workout Wednesday is actually attached to the video description. You're going to find a lot of amazing visuals, and there's always a walkthrough on how these visuals can be created in Power BI. So today I'm just going to be walking you through very quick on how to create this Lollipop chart. So we're not going to be doing much. What table I have here is just a simple table, right? Sheet one, just the brand and the revenue. That's the revenue by the different brand. So I'll just come to page 2 of my report. The first thing I'll quickly do is select a bar chart, right? Just reduce the size. I already have a measure created here. The measure is just total revenue, sum of the revenue. That will go to my x-axis, then I'll just select the brand, the category, y-axis brand. So this is the result of my visual, right? The next thing I quickly need to do is come to format visuals, right? Now we're going to leverage on using error bars to achieve the lollipop. So the first thing you quickly need to do is come to the bars, come to the layout, the space between categories. I'll just increase this to the max, that's 75. So this is the result of what I'm going to get. Next, I'll simply come to my add further analysis here where I'll get my error bars. I think if you're using maybe the latest version of Power BI, you find your error bars down there. But yeah, just find the error bars. All right, I'll expand this. So option, I'll enable it. So I'll turn it on. So on the upper bound, I'll just replace the upper bound with my total revenue measure. I'll add my upper bound. That's the upper bound total revenue measure. So next for the bars, we're good for now. Next for the markers, I'll replace the markers to this field circle, right? Then also increase the size of the markers. Voila, this is what you're going to get, the end result. So we just can reduce the size and you have a lollipop chart already. So you can make some adjustments here, right? This is where you get to make all the adjustments you need to make, right? The colors. So for the colors, quickly, you can come to format your bars, right? Your bars. You can change the colors of your bars. So literally, you can make your bars this color. Then if you go back to the error bars, you still can change the colors of the error bars, right? So let's say we change the color from this to black. So this is the result. This is actually the border colors. You can actually make the border color black also. So you have something like this, right? So this is just it. Very simple walkthrough. Now I can make a copy of this. So quickly, what I'll do, come to my x-axis, turn off the title, turn off the values also, my y-axis, turn off the title, and you have a clean visual. I can make a duplicate of this by just saying Ctrl C, Ctrl V, bring this down here. So the different variations you have is just you playing around with the colors, right? So this time around, I can come to my bars and simply say, I want the color of my bars to be white, right? But then I put on the border. So I have something like this, a different variation, right? I can make another copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, bring this down here. I still can say, okay, I go back to my error bars, right? And simply say the bars should be white. Then the border is also black. So you end up having something like this, another variation entirely. So I can make another copy, right? Make another copy and also play around the different, change this to probably blue, right? And I can come back to my bars format, come back to my bars and probably change the color to black, different variation entirely. So just play around it. You can create different variations. Then eventually I still can just make a copy of this, bring it here and just switch this from having a stack bar chart to having a stack column chart, and everything turns to this. It's that simple to create. So that is it. If this video was helpful, Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting Power BI content. Bye.